Why is Amira so quiet? It feels strange not hearing her scold anyone all of a sudden.
This is so embarrassing. I never should have drunk that bottle of Magipop.
I actually think today's Amira was really cute. Saying whatever she wanted, scolding whoever she wanted. A real and genuine Amira, full of life and emotion.
Agreed. I also hope Amira can be more unrestrained. Stop holding herself back and become a free, happy Amira without burdens.
Don't get so sentimental all of a sudden. This stupid drink tastes awful, for sake. And what was that ass performance from you two earlier?
By the way, Lulu, what do you plan to do next? Would you like to consider joining us? The party has opened a 5th slot and it is reserved just for you.
Is it all right? I really want to adventure with you, but if I stay, I might be a burden.
We have already dealt with plenty of trouble.
It's all right. There's no rush. Take your time to think about it. Our party will always be open to you.
Thank you.
The sunset is beautiful today.
Enjoy this moment.
Have you had enough fun this time? Should we head back?
All right.
Did you find the person named Elio this time?
I did. They have the same aura, but they don't seem to be them. It has been so long that I am starting to forget what Elio even looked like.
Will you keep searching?
I will. We promised. I won't forget the warmth when they first lifted me up in the wind and snow. I won't forget the sound of them whispering to me. I won't forget every place we walked through together. Even if time has blurred these memories, I still want to find them.
May that day come eventually.
Sorry, I caused you trouble again.
I am used to it. I would not really call it trouble.
But this time, I am truly happy. I met a group of gentle people. They said they were willing to take me along on an adventure. Yet I forgot to thank them properly at the end.
There'll always be another chance.
I hope we meet again.
You awake?
I'm already awake.
We already walked around nearby. We were worried about waking you.
Your sleep quality is enviable.
She was gone when we woke up.
We searched the surroundings.
Nothing was left behind. Don't worry, I checked. There are no strange marks nearby. There are only some scattered footprints in the grass heading toward the city.
If they belong to Lulu, maybe she returned to Geffen early for some reason. She might not have wanted to wake us, so she did not say anything.
That makes sense. The Geffen magic competition is about to start. Maybe she went to the city early to join the excitement.
Right.
Don't worry. Nothing bad will happen. We will definitely meet again.
The marionette doll has been returned to Geffen Tower.
Understood.
This escape will extend her sentence again. No matter how much we tried to persuade her, she would not listen. However, I reviewed her records. She seems to have existed for many years, possibly dating back to the era of the Seven Sages. Human lifespans differ for monsters. The human named Elio she is searching for may have already... Should we tell her?
No. Since you hope she can endure the long years ahead, you should leave her some hope.
I understand.
The Geffen magic competition is about to begin. Prepare everything related to the competition. Check the inside and outside of Geffen Tower to prevent any accidents.
Nice.